Hey guys, got Leveled here with a quick video. The new Twitch dashboard has been rolling out. It is available right now for me, at least. I am guessing it's still in beta, so it's still subject to change. So please check the date underneath this video. But we're basically going to take a look at it and I'm going to explain a couple of features that you have. So in order to access it, of course, twitch.tv, you click on the top right, click on Creator Dashboard. Now here, as you can see, I still have the old dashboard. This is what it used to look like. And I have to say, chat, I hated this. I really didn't like it. As you can see, some stuff is going off screen. There's so many options and so many things that I just straight up never use. So up here it says update incoming, blah, blah, blah. Check it out. Hey there, Get Level. You must have come a long way. Whatever. So I already have it set up. I already modified it a little bit, but basically I'm going to show you all the options that you have. So on top here, it's going to give you a little bit of information on how long you've been streaming, how many viewers you have, how many views you have on the channel, how many followers, how many subscribers. A cool thing is that when you're live, you can actually click to hide the viewer count here. I love the fact that Twitch is embracing the whole hide your viewer count thing. It really shows that they know what they're doing. Now, of course, you're going to have your chat. You're going to have a stream preview. You're going to have your quick actions. And then over here, what you have is your activity feed. Personally, I don't use it. I don't like this because I'm using a separate broadcasting software that already shows me. I'm using Streamlabs OBS. So I'm going to hide it as much as possible. I'm going to just turn off everything and then just put it in the corner. I initially had some troubles to hide stuff because technically right now, if you click on the little options, you can't just close stuff. So right now I'm hosting someone, and if I want this bar to disappear, I would have to click on host. I don't think I need to explain the chat or the live preview. What I can explain is the quick actions. So those are like little buttons that you can use during your stream, and you can customize them. You can add a new button by clicking here, opening this, or you can go ahead and manage them here. So if you want to move them, you have to click on those little dots here, and then you can move them. Okay, and then you click done. So let's click on the plus again, and you'll see all the options that are currently available that you can add to your list. You can clear chat history. I never use that. Clip that. Your channel will create a 30-second clip from whatever just happened 30 seconds ago. So it's kind of a replay. And I think this is very, very useful. So you don't have to rely on your chat to clip stuff. But on top of that, you don't have to come back and look at your whole VOD. That being said, if you do want to add just stream markers in order to highlight stuff later, you can still do that. And then of course, this new feature about running ads. As they announced during TwitchCon, you can now run ads whenever you want, and you have different options when it comes to ads. You have 90 seconds, 180 seconds, 150, 120, 60, and 30-second ads. Of course, I don't advise you abusing it. Also, I didn't think I needed to say that, but you need to be affiliated in order to run ads. You can't just create a Twitch channel and start running ads for money. So the main feature in the old dashboard was editing stream information. So that is still here. You can add your stream marker, as I said, all the ads buttons. Then there's grow your community. You have the host button and the raid button. I never use the host button anymore since I just raid people all the time. And then you have the chat management system, clear chat history, toggle emote only chat. This is something that I'm probably going to use at some point. Toggle follower only. My chat is always on follower only with no delay. Toggle sub only chat. That's very important. Those are the buttons that you would need if you're being trolled or if you're being spammed or something. And then you'll have buttons that relate to your Twitch extensions. I only have blurb as an extension right now, so that's why I only have blurb. Edit your active extension while live. Okay, you can just edit the extension with the button. So on mine, I specifically have edit stream info. If I want to change the title during the stream or anything, this needs to be accessible. First, I have clip that, but I'm going to take that away because since my internet is so bad, last time I tried it, it actually struggled and it was loading for a while. So I'm not going to use that anymore. I am going to use stream markers, or I'm just going to ask my mods to clip stuff. Raid channel is something that I haven't tried directly from this button. What I usually do is type in chat /raid and then the name of the channel, and that does the raid. But I'll definitely give it a try. Emote only chat. This is really good when you're trying to build some hype. And I have all the ads button depending on what type of break that I'm gonna do. If I'm gonna go grab water, I can put a 30 seconds ad. If I'm going to number 2 to the bathroom, I can run a 2-minute ad. I just realized that if you click on those, you can turn them off. You can toggle them on and off. That's pretty cool. And something else you can do is obviously you can pop out stuff. So pop out stuff. It'll just show up in a different window. And then once you close that window, it will show up back into the dashboard. If you want to see your user list, it's gonna show up here. Of course, weird bots, Nightbot, Streamlabs, whatever that bot is. So if you need more info about what is available, what is not available, what's coming, you can click top here and it will you have the what's new thing and it'll show you everything that's new. Something that I don't like too much is like this back to Twitch. It kind of pulls you off and you don't have that menu on the left side, but it's still accessible right here by clicking top left. So if you want to see your stats, the community tabs, content, so a couple of things changed a little bit, but it's really not that bad. But yeah, that's pretty much it. If you guys are wondering why is red everywhere, basically I kind of added a red filter over all of my graphics just for Halloween. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, well, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to help you. I don't work for Twitch, but I do want to know if you guys are excited about this. Do you like it? Do you prefer the old dashboard? Which types of features you would like to see on the new dashboard here? So yeah, leave all of that in a comment section below and I will see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. Go out there, make me proud, get a level, out.